Dear friends, hope you are all well. Today I am going to present to you a topic that all need to know. What is the most important thing for most of the people at present day? No need to think too much because the simple answer is our mobile. You, me, or every person in the society today cannot live without mobile for a moment, for a seconds. In the last 10 to 15 years, this mobile has become a part and parcel of our lives. But more or less, we all have a problem with mobile. Everyone has already faced, and that is many times we become oblivious and forget where we put the mobile. We stumble here and there, but we cannot find at all. And when this situation arises, it gives us great emotional pain. Under normal circumstances, if the phone is lost, we can easily find it by calling from another phone. But if it lost in the silent state, then there is a problem to find out. But there is a way to come out of this crisis. Many of you probably know that, but here my audio video is for them who don't know the procedure how to search his mobile when it is in switch off mode. It's a very simple procedure and it is very easy. Very easy. There is no need to technical savvy for it. The procedure is number one. When you lost your mobile in switch off mode, how to find out that mobile? The first procedure is, first you go to Google's website from another mobile or computer. Next, in the search bar, type find my phone. Understand? I again repeat. First, go to Google's website from another mobile or computer or laptop. In the search bar, type find my phone. Number 3 procedure. Procedure number 3. Then sign in to your Google account or Gmail account logged in to your lost phone. Then there will see the location of your mobile. Your mobile location you will see there. Number 5. Here you will have the option in front of you through which you can turn on the Android device manager of your phone. Again I repeat. Here you will find the option in front of you through which you can turn on the Android device manager of your phone. That means lost phone. There you find the option named Ring. There you find the option named Ring, R-I-N-G, Ring. Now, this time select the Ring option. Okay? This time select that Ring option. Even if your phone is in silent mode, it will start ringing at full volume. Yes. Even if your phone is in silent mode, that means when you used your phone last time, if that time it was in silent mode, right now it is ringing at full volume. And as long as you find the phone and hold down its power button, the phone will continue to ring. Now it is very easy, just follow that voice and find the phone. Understand? Hope you all understand how to find the switch off phone at any location, so there is no more tension in next time. Now give me a small thanks for this. Thank you.